The IMD issued a red alert, forecasting extremely heavy rains at isolated places in Mumbai and neighbouring areas on Monday, prompting the city's civic body to declare a holiday for all schools and colleges, officials said. The Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation also appealed to residents to step out only if necessary. Roads in several areas got inundated after the heavy downpour for the third consecutive day on Monday. Some low-lying areas like the Andheri subway and Lokhandwala complex witnessed water accumulation at a few locations, affecting traffic movement. The suburban services on the Central Railway route were affected as water accumulated on tracks in a few low-lying areas on the harbour line and due to failure of track changing points between Kurla and Tilak Nagar stations, as per the officials. The blinding rain in some parts of the city affected visibility and slowed down vehicular movement, as per motorists. BMC Commissioner Bhushan Gagrani announced that all educational institutions would remain shut for the afternoon session, citing the safety of students amid continuous downpour since morning. It also appealed to residents to contact its disaster control helpline 1916 in case of emergencies or for official updates. Heavy rains have been lashing Mumbai since Saturday. End.